Hello everyone, welcome to codingwall. This is Navin Tamisheti. So today in this video, I will show you how to add and delete record from an array of object in React.js. So this is a continuation of my previous video where I have shown you the how to display the table data from the array of objects in React.js. So before jumping into the video, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please do comment on further videos. If you want any further videos, please do comment in the comment section. And again, you can approach me from I will be mentioning the links of Instagram and Gmail in the description below, so you can contact me there. And yeah, in this video I will show you two things, like the overview and the coding part. So first we will jump into the overview. So if I refresh, there is a I'm displaying a array of objects here, and adding if I add something like for example I have taken name, mobile name, price and rating. So if I write S23 Ultra and enter the price like 1000 and 4.9 as a rating, if I click on the add button, it has been added into the list. Okay, if I try to delete any one of the model record, it will be deleted. Like if I delete the apple, okay, the apple has been deleted from this list. And one more thing, this is in a dynamic data, it's not in a static data where we are calling in a API service and again it is uh, fetching, deleting a record from the database, and again it is fetching the whole records from the backend. It's not like that. We will be doing that kind of video, and yeah, let us jump into the coding part. So yeah, this is how it looks when we are only just in my previous video I have shown you right how to display the table. So I will continue from here. So what we needed, first of all, we need to use use state to update something, in React, and then it should be reflected. If you want to reflect something, we need to use this thing, use state. So this is one of the hook in React. And yeah, we will be having three variables. First of all, we will go with initializing variables like mobile price, mobile mobile name, set mobile name is equal to use state. So this is where we use, and initially we are not passing any values, so we will keep it as an empty. Same like this, we will go with the other price and rating also. So this price, price rating. Rating. Okay, so here also I will change it to rating. Okay, so these are the three variables which I have taken. And what we need to do is we will write in a HTML here. I have taken a container, so it will be stayed in a single flex box. Either we can say row. So here what I will do is I will write a give a div which has class name is equal to, so this should be a row, and again I need to have a parent class. So for that what I will do is give a object with backticks row is the common CSS class. If you want to give a normal CS class and a class which was defined in the CSS file, then we need to use this kind of thing. Generally we will directly write in the curly brackets. So that will be a value if you are using this CSS thing. So what I will do is I have already written this because the for the margin top. So dollar, again curly brackets with class name, which we are importing, dot, inside that we have id, add div. Okay, so this is how we can use normal css class and the class which has been already declared in the css file. Okay, this is the bootstrap class, which is a common thing which we used to use for grids. As I said you, like if you want to use normal class, you can directly write like this also. I need to show in 3 columns, so I'm writing this. And again input with closing tag. Okay, and class name, just for the decoration purpose, I'm to look good for the input field. And again I'm writing value. I will tell you why we are using this value, because after clicking the add button we need to empty the input field. So that is the reason why I'm using a value here. I'm binding value. Placeholder is a common thing. This is for enter mobile name. Okay, and again name is equal to mobile name. Okay, so we will copy this and paste it 2 times for rating and prices. So here I will write price, price, and again here rating, enter rating. Okay, so these are the 3 input fields. Again we need to add one more button. Okay, add button. So for that what we'll do is I'll remove this, it is not needed. Add button. Okay, add row, or we'll just keep it as add. Here class name is there is a default thing btn success, which is initially green color. So for this we need to write a click function, right? So what I will do is on click equal to on add handler. Okay, so what I will do is I will write this function here. I will include this function here, excuse me. Const add is equal to, okay, we generally use arrow functions in React, so this is the common thing. And yeah, and again on each and every key enter we will update this value, or we can directly use it. It's not an issue. Anyway, I just wanted to write a on change is equal to I will directly assign value here itself. We can assign value directly here itself in React, like set mobile name is equal to mobile name is to e dot target dot value. There is no need of writing another function and defining it. We can we can simply write like this. Okay, I will again copy this thing. I'll just need to change the names, right? So instead of set mobile we will write set price. Here instead of set mobile we will write set rating. Okay, this will set the value to the set rating and set price and and mobile name. Okay, we'll simply save the changes. If you want, we can check directly, or what we'll do is we will do one thing. To update, after updating, we need to again show the values in the array. So what we will do is, first we'll check the HTML if it is reflecting the changes or not. Okay, it is changed. Okay, 3 4 okay. Control, it is right, but why it is showing like this? Let us see. Okay, form control is added, but I don't know why it is showing like this. Okay, now what we will do is we will change the name here. Okay, we will keep the name like this only, and we will assign this to another object. Okay, const I will take as I'll take it as data array. Okay, data array, set data array equal to use state of, I'm directly assigning this data to this thing. I'm just making a copy. Okay, so this is how I did, and what I will do is I will copy this and replace with this. Okay, let us check if it is reflecting or not. Yeah, it is reflecting. Okay, so what we will do now is okay, okay, now what we will do is we will write the add functionality here. Okay, to just push the data inside the data array input, data array object. Okay, on click of add button. Okay, what we will do is we will just write a and again one more thing, we need to add id also on delete, and when we delete this thing, we need to add id also. For that, what we will do is let id is equal to data array dot length. So if the length is 4, I will add one more thing, and it will become, the id will be 5, right, plus 1. Okay, this is just to add the id. And in the second line, what we'll do is set data array. Inside this, we will use dot walk method, data array, comma, we are expanding the array of object. Sorry, we are expanding the array. Now what we need to do is, inside this object, we need to use name. Name is to, so whatever we have the object key, we need to use that key, and the value should be the this thing, mobile name, price, and rating. So for the name, I'm using mobile name, comma. For the price we use price, comma. And for rating, actually there is a here we are using ratings, so yes, here rating. Okay, comma, id is to this id. Okay, whenever something is pushed, so the current name, price, ratings will be added again with that. If the length is 4, for example, if we have 4, right, 4 records, right, the length is 4, right, the upcoming will be 5th one, right. So if I add plus 1, it will be added as 5. Okay, so there is nothing confusion here. So here what I'll do is Samsung S23. Okay, price will be around 89, 8, yeah, and 4.5. if I click add, yeah, it has been added, but these fields need to be emptied. We need to do it as we need to empty those fields. So for that, what we need to do is set mobile name empty string. In the same way, we need to do for the remaining things also. Set price, set rating, empty string. Let us check now. Refresh. Okay, if I click add, this got empty and the record has been inserted into the array of object. Okay, now what we will do is we will add a delete functionality here and delete row here. So for that, we need to add a title head, sorry, table head, th action. Here we'll add td with the button, delete with class. One second. Class name btn danger. Okay, there will be click event. On click is equal to here what we'll do is we will directly write a function which passes the value. Okay, so okay, delete item. So this I will pass the id row dot id. Okay, I'm directly passing this. So what we'll do is we need to add a function here which is delete item const delete item which has a parameter id has a parameter id, and what we'll do is we'll write const new list. New list will directly return, will directly assign that to, will store the data in new list and we will assign it to data array. Okay, what we'll do is data array dot filter of record dot id is not equal to id. Okay, now we'll again set this to set data array of new list. Okay, this is to simply update the existing data array which we already binded to this html. Okay, sorry, this html. We'll simply save it. Then we will refresh it. So iPhone 14 120. Okay, 4.9 rating. If I click add, the phone has been added, the rating and the price, the fields got empty. If I click iPhone 13 as delete, it has been deleted. Okay, if I click delete on this iPhone, it is got deleted. Okay, and again it is in a static data, so sorry, it is in a dynamic data, it's not in a static data. If you refresh it again, the array of objects will be displayed here itself. So I have used this, so we can directly remove it, and we can directly write it as id, sorry, row dot id. Okay, because we already have ids inside this, right? So if I save it, see 1 2 3, if I refresh 1 2 3 4, if I write something and add it, see the fifth one has been added. So this logic goes to this. Okay, this is how it was made. So this is how we can add a row and delete a row by using react.js. So please do subscribe and click on the bell icon and watch the video till end, and please do support, it helps a lot for me to um, it encourages me to do more videos and post more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.